step into the Kia 2020 Sorento 3.3 LLX. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 290 horsepower, 3.3L V6 DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 3.3-liter V6 DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission and Bluetooth. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.